Hi to everybody. This channel is relevant to anything about different electricity's features and its properties. I often honor of this channel and I will work hard to turn this channel from every day to next day and every moment to next moment more answerable to your different requests, more interest and more useful for you at last. At last, more useful, more answerable to your requests and more interest for you. Judge is yours. I will work hard to turn this channel more useful and answer to your requests and more interest relevant to the original title of this channel.